Hi everyone, Aaron here from Park Mazda, here to talk to you guys about the 2019 Mazda CX-9. Mazda just released a ton of new info on the 2019 CX-9. It's going to arrive here early September, starting MSRP of $36,700. Tons of new features. We talked about them last time, the 360 camera, ventilated seats. Those are going to appear in the GT and signature trim levels, including SiriusXM Travel Link. You're also going to get a new reconfigurable cluster display and power folding mirrors. Bose is still partnering with Mazda and is offering their 12-speaker premium audio system. Again, that's awesome. Standard factory-equipped Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in every single trim level. That's amazing. Not much is going to change as far as exterior or interior styling. There's going to be a few refinements with the stitching and whatnot. One of the biggest things as well with all trim levels, you're going to get a refined and retuned suspension. It's going to offer a smoother and quieter, more natural ride. You're going to get a thicker headliner, thicker floor mats. It's going to increase overall sound suppression. So there you have it. Be sure to stay tuned. We'll let you know when you can order your 2019 Mazda CX-9 from us here at Park Mazda. Until then, check us out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search for Park Mazda. Be sure to hit that notification bell and you'll be able to see all of our new videos as they go up, including our pre-owned inventory walkarounds, which we very much love to put up for you guys. You can also check us out on Facebook. You can go to parkmazda.ca and see our entire inventory, book your test drives online. Get a $25 Visa gift card for coming down and test driving any one of our vehicles. Always remember that. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. It has been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope to see you very soon.